Welcome to Learn and Play Kids channel.
I read a book. I read a book. I watched a movie. I watched a movie. I played a cricket. I played a cricket. I cooked dinner. I cooked dinner. I called my friend. I called my friend. I drank coffee. I drank coffee. I drove to work. I drove to work. I cleaned the house. I cleaned the house. I went for a run. I went for a run. I visited my parents. I visited my parents. I listened to music. I listened to music. I took a nap. I took a nap. I baked cookie. I baked cookie. I painted a picture. I painted a picture. I bought groceries. I bought groceries. I played a game. I played a game. I made a sandwich. I made a sandwich. I watched the sunset. I watched the sunset. I rode my bike. I rode my bike. I fed the cat. I fed the cat. I sang a song. I sang a song. I brushed my teeth. I brushed my teeth. I opened the window. I opened the window. I watered the plants. I watered the plants. I folded the laundry. I folded the laundry. I answered the phone. I answered the phone. I packed my bag. I packed my bag. I mowed the lawn. I mowed the lawn. I wrote in my journal. I wrote in my journal. I locked the door. I locked the door. I tied my shoes. I tied my shoes. I caught the bus. I caught the bus. I changed my clothes. I changed my clothes. I set the table. I set the table. I watched the new. I watched the new. I turned of the lamp. I turned of the lamp.
Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment and share.